Hey guys, this is Varun from Creators Anchor, where I upload videos about designing, editing and social media. Thank you so much for tuning into this video and thanks for your love and support. In today's video, I am going to show you an amazing underwater effect that you can create in Pixlr. So without skipping any part of this video, please watch this video till the end. And if you find any difficulty while following this video, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to help you. So without any further ado, let's dive into this video. So to follow this tutorial, you need both of these images. I will provide both of the image link in the description and in the pinned comment section. Please check it. Now first open pixlr.com, click on Advanced Photo Editor. Now click on Create New and select this wide 1080p size and name the project whatever you want, underwater effect. Click on Create button here. Now go to Layer and click on Add Image as Layer. Now import both of these images. Select both of these images and click on Open. Now there are two layers, one is water and another is mountain. Make sure the water layer is on the top. If it's not on the top, then you can drag it to the top like this. Now set both of these images like this. First select water layer and keep it down. This looks good. Now to add text, click on this text tool here and click anywhere here and click on Add button. Now write any text you want. I am going to write underwater here. Now change the font. Click here. I am going to select this one, Brooklyn, and now change the size. Click here, increase the size. I think this is enough. Now make sure the underwater layer is in between water and mountain layer. You can see here the underwater layer is in between these two layers. Now click on underwater layer and reposition it like this. Now right click on water layer and change the blend mode to multiply. This looks good. Click on underwater layer and now your underwater effect is ready. To make this effect more interesting, you can tilt some of the text in this word so it can look like the text is drowning. So let's see how it's done. Now click on this underwater layer here and duplicate it by pressing Ctrl+D, or you can click here. Now select the first layer and disable the visibility of second layer. Now click on Add Text tool here and double click on the layer. Now remove or delete all the text except you. Good. Resize it like this. Okay. Now enable the second layer visibility. Click on this and disable the first layer visibility. Again click on the second layer and click on Add Text. Double click. Now remove the U character here. Delete. Now enable the visibility of the first layer again. Now U is not visible clearly, so click on this Arrange tool and select this layer, U layer, and you can press the left arrow key on your keyboard to move the U in left. Good. Now click on U layer and you can tilt it from here. Just click on this and move like this. Press the down arrow. Now you can see this looks like U is drowning underwater. You can do this with other character also of this world to make it more realistic and interesting. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, please write in the comment section and make sure you give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe, and not just subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss out any other video about tips, tricks and tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep creating.